What's happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at again with a new video, and I just received this one, the Sony A7 Mark II. This is a used copy of the Sony A7 Mark II, and I just received it by mail, and I got it for 800 euros. So that is a good deal with the kit lens, and let's do the unboxing together. The outside box actually looks the same as the Sony A7III, which is a newer version. So let's take a quick look. What do we got inside? What do we have here? Register your new product online. Always do that, guys, because you might get some extra warranty. Some manual things here. 1 year extended warranty. Very important. If something happens with your camera, you have to register yourself. Even meaning that you will get some spam email or stuff. Alright, what's this? This is the power cable, and this is an UK power cable actually, not the one that we can use here in the Netherlands. Let's open this. How does it open? Alright, not very inspiring. Alright, what do we got? It's clear to see that this is the camera body. Sorry that I'm looking a little bit up, but there's a little monitor. Right, that's the camera. This is the lens hood and the lens, the kit lens. And what do we got? A little strap. Oh, this is the battery. Look at this. This is the same battery as what they use on the crop sensor camera. So the battery life is not the best, and I don't believe with the Sony A7 Mark II that this will keep up for the whole day. So might have to charge that up. There's a little power brick and two cables, so that you can charge your camera. There is no battery charger. Sony, when are you going to do something about that? Right, that's it. That's all you have in the box. Let's put the things that we don't need aside. We got here the body. Are you ready? Ooh. Oh. It actually looks quite similar to the Sony A7 Mark III. A little bit smaller, but pretty much looks the same from a distance. From a distance or distance? I think it's distance. From a distance it looks the same, but the buttons layout is different. We got one card slot, the record button for videos on the side, just as the APS-C cameras. What do we got here on this side? The micro HDMI and the USB, and there you have the microphone and headphone jack, which is a good thing to have if you do video. Look at this sensor. It even has some dust in it. There is some dust in the sensor, guys. So we have to clean that up a little bit. Just gonna use a little blower thingy. Where is it? This piece of hardware is very cheap but very essential if you want to clean your gear. See if it got any juice in it. It has juice. It has something. 60%. Oh wow. So alright, somebody has charged it a bit before sending it. Alright, this is the kit lens, and this is the same kit lens as what I use on the also quite dusty on the Sony A7 Mark I. So let's pop in a little SD card. Got one here laying around waiting for it to be used, and ooh la la. Manual, yes, it's in manual. Let's do a little quick shot. I'm not even sure it's RAW or JPEG, just go for it. Ooh. A different sound. It has a little different sound. But then overall, I think it feels quite good. It feels like a smaller Sony A7 III, a more compact Sony A7 III, even though that one is actually quite compact. I think I'm just gonna switch it up real quickly to S-Log 2 and try to color grade at the same level as what I do right now. So a little test footage, let's jump in. So this is now the Sony A7 Mark II and I'm filming in S-Log 2 with the Leeming LUT principles and settings and all those things. So I'm not sure what to think of it because I don't see the footage. You see it right now, but in overall, I think it feels like a trimmed down version of the Sony A7 Mark III. I'm gonna test the Sony A7 Mark II out, and then later on in the full review, I'm gonna compare it to the Sony A7 Mark III, also to the Sony A7 Mark I, but also with the newer crop sensor Sony cameras such as the Sony A6100. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see that review video, and then I'm just gonna clean this up and plan for some cool photo shoots, some nature landscape photography stuff, as still we are in that quarantine stuff and all the weddings are postponed to next year, 2021. Alright, subscribe if not already, like this video, comment down below what do you think of the Sony A7 Mark II, what do you want to see in the final review video, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, that's all, thank you again, see you the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, good luck.